Yo, what's up guys, Mark from Everything Beamer, and today I'm going to show you guys how to MHD tune a 535i or N54 engine. As you guys can see, I use a wireless adapter. This adapter is the best adapter to use when it comes to MHD tuning. The reason I chose this adapter over the wired one is because it's more compatible with the iPhone and with any Android you can use. All you have to do is hook up the Wi-Fi on it. It has its own Wi-Fi built-in system. And once you hook on the Wi-Fi, you're completely logged in and ready to go. After you receive the MHD adapter, the first thing you want to do is get the app. The app is called MHD N54. You want to click on it. You want to go to the side and log in or create an account if you want to have one. After you create an account and log in, you want to go to your settings. You want to go to your Wi-Fi. And you're going to see MHD 6158 or whatever. I don't know if it's a different number for anybody else, but for me it's MHD 6158. You want to click on that. And then you're going to be connected to your MHD adapter. After you connect to your MHD adapter and downloaded the app and logged in, you want to go to your internet browser and go to mhdtuning.com. You're going to want to buy two things: the flasher module and the N54 maps pack. You're going to buy both of those. You buy that, you want to go back to your app. They're going to give you a redeem confirmation code. You want to type it in at the licensed store. It's going to pull up right here. Takes a little minute. Now you're going to want to press redeem voucher. And you're going to type in the redeem code that you got from your confirmation number. You're going to type it right there. You're going to press OK. And once you do that, everything should be okay. With that being said, you're finally going to the Flash MHD map. I advise you to never use the beta maps. I repeat again, please do not use the beta maps. They will be bad for your car. That's just my opinion though. But I use V8 maps. I'm on stage 2, so I use stage 2. You want to get a battery charge before you do anything. So you can keep battery charged when you begin the MHD tune, because if you don't, you will mess up your car and it would not turn on. So I know mine is a little ancient, man. It's been in the family for a long time. Once everything is done and you have the battery charge on your battery, you want to put the car and the ignition so you can see all the lights and stuff like that. Make sure the air conditioning is off, and you want to make sure the lights are off. Then you have the battery charge on your charger and you put the ignition on. You're going to want to do either stage 1, depending on what you have. I have stage 2, so I'm going to do stage 2. I'm running 93 octane. And I'm going to click that. It's going to tell me the right time, 2 minutes. Options. This is the same burbles I have, you know what I'm saying? I put my shit to 900 RPMs. Exhaust, I want a lot of burbles, so I put hard burbles, aggressive, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, stuff like that. So this is everything I have on my stage 2. I'm put a launcher at 38, 37. All right, so once you're done with that, you write it up, it's connected, and then you're on go. Now, when you're done, when it says done, obviously it tells you to turn off your ignition and wait 30 seconds, which is correct. You want to do that because if you just turn it on, everything's going to be malfunctioning and it won't turn on. Fun fact, while you're waiting, you also can read your DME codes, like if something's wrong with your car or you feel like something's wrong. You also can read that. You can go here. It's going to tell you everything. So, yeah. Just now you guys know. The tune is finally done. I'm going to show you guys how it sounds right now. Mind you guys, I'm on stock exhaust. Please stay tuned, man. It's going to be a wonderful masterpiece after it's done. And check me out. Keep going. Keep going. Go. By the way, guys, I'm on stock exhaust. I am going to get the resonator deleted tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I will have more video about that. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys for watching. More out.